All right, here I have a 23 Toyota Prius, but this applies to 24 and 25 because they all have the same engine and same interior. But I'm gonna show how to reset that maintenance light. And you want to start off by pressing this menu button, and that's to open up this little menu here. And you want to go down to the little gear down there. But if that doesn't work because it wasn't working for me, you can also try pressing the up or down arrow to open up that menu. But basically, like I said, you want to open up that little menu, go down to the little gear, and it'll take you here to this menu. And what you want to do is using the side button, you want to go all the way to the side. You want to skip all this and go to vehicle settings, and then you want to hold OK to go into that menu, and then you want to go down to schedule maintenance, and then you push OK, and then you go up and reset the data. And then there's another one, there's also oil maintenance, which you just have to go back, go down to oil maintenance, reset it the same way. Now, oil maintenance and schedule maintenance is different. Schedule maintenance is every 5,000 miles, and that's basically a bunch of stuff they want you to do. This is in your owner's manual, but it's stuff like checking the fluids, topping off fluids, checking up filters, rotating tires, and that's every 5,000 miles. And then every 10,000 miles, again, per the owner's manual, they want you to do replace engine oil and oil filter. Now, that's only if you're driving under ideal conditions. Right here, where it says 5,000 miles, at the bottom it says additional maintenance items for special operating conditions, one of them being driving on dirt roads or dusty roads. Then it says replace engine and oil filter every 5,000 miles. And at the bottom here, number 2, if you read that, it'll say the same thing. Basically, reset them both at 5,000 miles if you're driving under those conditions.